Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Nicole Chantell, and if you like everything beauty, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of my makeup family. With all that being said, let's jump right into this video. Hello my loves. So today we are going to be talking about my September favorites and fails, because surprisingly there's like a few fails, which will be at the end of the favorites. So first, I just want to talk about a local company that I discovered. She is on Instagram as Kitty.Witty.Gifts. Me and my mom and my daughter Cash, we went to the mega market down at the Jackburn Arena. So there's a lot of local crafts there at the market, and I discovered her booth and I was like, oh, so surprised to see it, and her jewelry just really captivated me. And I got this ring from there. I will pop up a picture, a close-up for you guys to see it, but it is like a wire ring, and it's made out of pink wire, and it's a rose, and I just absolutely love it, and I love supporting local companies. So check her out on Instagram. I will have her linked down below. Continuing with jewelry, let's talk about these pom-pom earrings. I just want to do that pom-pom, pom-pom. I also have them in black as well. I did pick them up at Urban Planet, and it was like buy one get one free, I think it was, or buy one get one 50% off. They weren't really overly expensive. They were actually only $5.99, so $6 for a pair of earrings, then get the other ones for either $3 or for free. It's great, and they're really super comfortable, and I love that it's like this gold little chain. I'm all about these neutral tones, like the neutral tone makeup with the jewelry, with the clothing. I just love it. So yeah, these are just totally cute. All right, so let's talk about my favorite foundation. I'm just obsessing over it, cannot get enough of it, and it's the BECCA Zero Pigment Foundation. I have this on my face today, believe it or not. Yes, I have foundation on. I know it's like, it looks like I have it on, but then it doesn't look like I have it on, and I absolutely love this. Now, just to let you know that I did go in with my Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, the liquid silk canvas primer, and I applied that to my face first, and these two together, it's like a dream. They work so well, and I have to say that this hair is just beautiful. I definitely will be getting a backup of it later on, that is for sure, once I run completely out of it. I'll just show you guys. Of course, you have the little tiny dipper, spoon, whatever you want to call it, but there is the product there, and a little bit of this product goes a long way. And just to let you know, don't put too much on at once, because I do find that when you do, it almost makes like little tiny pearls or beads on your face. Then you got to try to blend that out. So I just go in with one little scoop, and I apply it to my cheeks, my forehead, my chin, and my nose, and then I go in and blend it out with this. First I was blending it out with my fingers, then I decided to use this, and this here is by e.l.f. and it's the Camo Concealer Sponge. Yes, I know it's for concealer, but you know what? Use the makeup, use the tools, whatever way you want to use it. There's really no rules in makeup on how you use it. This little sponge here, I love it. It is completely squishy, which I really like, and this is not even wet, it's completely dry. So I go in, I put a few dabs of this foundation on, and then I just tap it into my skin, and it just brings the product more into my skin. What am I trying to say? It applies the product better to my skin than tapping it in with my fingers, and I just feel like it really like clings on more to my skin, if that makes any sense. But I just love how this foundation lies on my skin. So like I said, these two put together and this little sponge, it's like a dream, a miracle. And for my concealer, I just take a little bit concealer and I apply it right here to this part of my cheek area, because where I do have rosacea, and I apply it a little bit on my nose. Now, I don't take any and apply it underneath my eye area. I will get to that in a minute about how nice and smooth my under eye area looks. But this here is a little mini, and it's the Tarte Hydro Concealer. Sorry about that. I just could not see the white writing against the Porcelain concealer. There we go. We'll get it out one of these days. But this is the mini. A little bit of this product goes a long way. I absolutely love it. I also applied it to my lids too before I apply any eyeshadow. But I just take a little bit of this, dab it on to my cheeks where I have redness and my nose. And then once again, I go in with this e.l.f. sponge and I just blend it out. So all these products here together, I find, are working fabulous for my skin. So you might notice that underneath my eye area looks so super smooth and soft. And this is why I don't apply any concealer underneath, because I'm so impressed with how smooth, how soft, like there's no fine lines or wrinkles, like it's just beautiful. It's because of this foundation. I take the foundation and I blend it right up underneath my eye area. But not only that, I do go in with this beauty right here. I've mentioned this before in a previous video. It's the Rodial Pink Diamond, and this is the lip and eye filler. So I like to take this and apply it underneath my eye area. It does have this metal little tip and it's very soothing when you're rubbing the product in. I use this every single day and I'm obsessed over it. And I really do find that it's just making my under eye area look so nice, so smooth, just really beautiful. I was actually using this as well because where it is a lip filler on my lips, but you're only getting a total of 0.5 fluid ounces. So I find that if I'm using it underneath my eye area and my lips, I'm going to go through it quicker. So therefore, I don't use this on my lips anymore. But when I did, it definitely made my lips look super smooth and soft, and it filled them like beautiful. Like it was amazing. But I really love what it's doing to underneath my eye area. So this here is amazing. You could get this at your local Shoppers or online at Shoppers Beauty Boutique. So let's talk about eyeshadows. Well, one eyeshadow palette that I'm obsessing over is this little mini right here. And it's the Urban Decay. And this is the Mini Stones Vibes palette. I was looking for the other box to make sure I was saying it correctly. Stone Vibes Mini Eyeshadow Palette. Anyhow, I am wearing this on my lids today. And I just love every single shadow in this palette. This neutral shade here is great for setting your primer. And then today I went in with this pink shade, and then I went in the brown shade, and they just apply so gorgeous. And then just for the inner corner highlight, I went in with this shade right here. Don't know the names off by heart because I'm not really looking at them. But anyways, it was Attraction, Eclipse, Optimus, and Radiant. So I went in with all those there, and I just love this look. It's very like neutral tone once again, which is the look that I'm really into. Super easy. You just go ahead and apply it and out the door you go. There's really no fuss with applying these shadows. Each one of these shadows apply gorgeous. They are so super pigmented and they blend really, really well. So I recently talked about these two products in a get ready video with me trying new products, but I have to mention them because since that video, I have been using these every day. Now, not all of September, but every day since that video. But I had to give these a mention, and these are by Real Techniques. This is the Apply Shadow Brush and the blend brush. These two come together. They do retail under $10 for two brushes. I think these brushes here are amazing. The bristles on them are so super soft. They pick up the right amount of shadow. And when I use this one here to apply shadow, it applies the shadow so gorgeous. It doesn't pick up a lot of product. It just picks up the right amount of product. And they are so super soft to the lid as well. As for the blend shadow brush, this here blends the shadows so gorgeous. Like it really takes them, and when you want to like kind of make the shadow kind of fade out a little bit more, just constantly go over that area and it just makes it fade out really, really beautiful. I think this is great as well because like if you're new into makeup and sometimes you kind of look at all these brushes and they're like say R2 or 10-2, they have all these numbers on them and you're like, oh my goodness, what is that for? What is this for? These ones here are so simple. Apply shadow. Nope. This is the blend one, Nicole. Apply shadow and blend. And I think that is really neat for people who are new into the makeup. But I personally really, really love these. So I have a few more favorites and then we're going to go into the fails. So I have two products by Charlotte Tilbury. I'm wearing these on my lips today. All the products that I've talked about today are on my face. So of course, Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner. Not going to say too much about it, except it's the right nude lip liner where you could just pop it on and put on some gloss and go. It's beautiful. It doesn't make your lips disappear. It applies really, really nice. Super pigmented. Love it. And it lasts all day long. Like the other day I had a lipstick on, and by the time the lipstick wore off, the lip liner was still there. So the lasting power in this is amazing. Now for this little lipstick right here, which is the Superstar Lips Glossy Star Lit Lip Looks. Whew, okay. I had to really look at that while I was reading it. Anyways, it is in Pillow Talk. So I do have the lip liner on today with this, and this is just beautiful. I love the color. Glides on so gorgeous, and it's just really, really pretty. Like, I love the Pillow Talk line. I'm obsessed with it. These two are just beautiful together. That I love from Winners is what I have on today, which is this really cute beige sweater. This was only $16.99. Been wearing this for a lot of September, like a lot. I do wash it. I just can't get enough of it, and I'm all about those cozy sweaters. And I'll just stand up so you guys could see how it just flows. And it's like really nice and baggy here on the side, and it's a little bit short in the front and then it goes longer in the back. I mean, you could kind of wear it like the way I'm wearing it now, just off the shoulder, which I really like, or you could just center it and then it's like a real nice deep V, but I personally just like wearing it like this. All right, let's talk about the fails. First product that I'm going to talk about, I'm going to have to actually get my phone up and look at the name because I already returned it. It's by Patrick Ta, which really breaks my heart because recently I just did a video on all my favorite Patrick Ta products. I will leave that link down below for you guys to check that out. But this one product I was really super excited for, and I said, okay, let's get it. Let's see what it's going to be like. And where are we to? Here we go. It is the Patrick Ta Major Glow All Over Glow Balm because I love his products. I love how glowy they make my skin. I did get the one in She's Glossy. So I got it. I was so super excited about it. The packaging was beautiful. As you can tell by the picture, it looks so super pretty. I opened it up. I was like, okay, there's a fragrance. I'm okay with that because a lot of his products, like these spray products, have a fragrance to them. And I'm okay with it because it just, you spray it on and it disappears. It does not last. This balm, however, I took it and I swatched it on my arm, and this fragrance was there for like over 10 minutes to the point where I was getting a headache really, really quick. And I am so super sensitive to fragrances. I just thought that by applying it to the skin, it would just kind of disappear. Now, don't get me wrong, the product is beautiful. When I swatched on my skin, it gave my skin that beautiful, gorgeous glow. But the smell was just too much. Like, I couldn't handle it. I was like, okay, I have to bring that back because I got such a bad headache from it. But if you guys have it and you use it and you love it, you know, I'm so jealous because it's such a pretty product. And I heard so many good things about it, but the fragrance, it just killed me. So unfortunately, that's a fail. Another failed product is this one right here, which is by Rimmel London, and it's Oh My Gloss Plump. This here I got in the shade 1999. So I was really excited for it because of this nude shade. I'm not even going to swatch it on my hand because of the fragrance. Okay, so I was like, okay, I know it's going to plump my lips because it says plump. I get it. I applied it to my lips. And oh my goodness, all I could smell was cinnamon, and it was burning my lips because I know that cinnamon actually like plumps your lips. So I'm assuming they must have some ingredient in here that's cinnamon related because of the smell and the burning. And the smell is so strong. That's why I'm not opening it. I'm not swatching it because it gave me a headache. It was very uncomfortable to the lips. The color, don't get me wrong, beautiful. But the smell and the burning, just not worth it. So this one here is a fail. So I did get mine in the style Lure, and this is the Kiss Magnet Eyeliner, the double strength magnets on 5 points. So line, lash, done. That's what it says. So here is the liner here. And here are the lashes here, which are really, you know, they're just very kind of, let's say, casual lashes, okay? And they are very light, like they're not heavy at all whatsoever. So I go ahead and I put on the liner. It glides on nice, I give it that. I go ahead and apply the lashes. First of all, the lashes aren't like really full, so it looks like I have no lashes on, which is like my regular look because my lashes are so tiny. But it does not matter how close to the lash line you get with this liner. These lashes just kind of, like, they do stick to it, but they just kind of don't want to form, let's say. Like when you glue them on, you could form them into place. These were an absolute fail. Like, I don't even know why I got them. Like, I guess I had high hopes because it's a liner. It should work instead of like doing the magnet up on top and magnet on the bottom. But unfortunately, these ones were a fail. If they worked for you, great. Let me know in the comments down below. So you guys, that's it for my September favorites and fails. Let me know in the comments down below what have been your go-tos in September's favorites, and also have you had any fails? Let me know in those comments down below. Really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, stay safe, love one another. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.